The DEWALT DWE-575 compact circular saw features competitive advantages over the Makita 5007F, where the DEWALT wins: weight, capacity, durability, and ease of use. Weight. The DEWALT DWE-575 is 20% lighter than the Makita 5007F, and is among one of the lightest circular saws in its class, weighing in at 8.8 pounds, with Makita at 10.6 pounds. Capacity. The DWE-575 also provides a greater cut capacity with its bevel scale ranging up to 57 degrees versus Makita's 45 degrees. Plus, the DEWALT circular saw will cut a full 2 9/16 inches. Durability. The DWE-575 features the Tough Cord system, which provides 12 times better resistance against cord pullout versus the Makita 5007F. Ease of use. Ever see a user bust their knuckles on the Makita circ saw? The DEWALT is ergonomically designed for maximum user comfort and control. Anti-snag lower guard geometry allows the guard to operate smoothly in every bevel angle up to 57 degrees and every cut, while its ball-bearing design allows for long life even when operated in heavy dust environments. Where the DEWALT wins: weight, capacity, durability, and ease of use.
Makita is a leader in the circular saw category. Now get one that'll cut 4x in a single pass. The Makita 10 1/4 circular saw. This is a new addition to Makita's circular saw lineup, built for commercial applications. The saw has big capacity and long service life, but with less weight. It has a magnesium die-cast blade case and guard, and an aluminum base for durability. It has a large cutting and bevel capacity, and precision gearing with ball and needle bearing design.
We're on Kiwa Island doing interior woodwork on the finest homes in the area. Yeah, this is a great step in between the two, the giant one and the regular 7 1/4 that we have. It weighs, not that much, but it's in control, but it has plenty of motor. I like it a lot.
Yeah, very lightweight, easy to use, a good grip, and cuts well.
When I saw it, I thought it was going to be really heavy. When I used it, I was surprised at the fact that it was lightweight. Some applications like ripping, once you get started ripping and pull the guide back, you kind of need that front handle because it's such a large saw. But yes, once I did use it, it felt comfortable. It's not a knob. I like the fact that it's a longer handle. You can just kind of push on it or you can grip it. I would definitely recommend it to other framers. We haven't used it for an extended period of time, but from what I've seen today, it could definitely find a spot in the trailer.
Introducing the 15-amp worm drive circular saw model C7WDM from Hitachi. The C7WDM is a 7 1/4-inch worm-driven circular saw designed for power and longevity. The powerful 15-amp motor makes tough cutting jobs quicker and easier. Its soft, non-slip grip handle is designed for comfort and vibration reduction. The C7WDM is designed to meet the needs of the pro, with heavy-duty construction to produce professional results. Its steel bevel and depth adjustment levers increase toughness and real-world usability. The 3-position rafter hook makes for safe rafter placement and easy storage. Carbon brush access allows the user to easily inspect and replace the brushes as needed to greatly prolong the life of the tool. Also featured as a valued-added bonus are two premium 7 1/4 inch 24-tooth VPR framing blades and a blade wrench which conveniently stores in the base of the tool. The tool itself is covered by Hitachi's 5-year professional tool warranty. The C7 WDM 15 amp worm drive circular saw from Hitachi, for professional results every time.
Now when you're ready to engage and use the Exactrack feature on your saw, it's very simple and easy. You just simply loosen the depth setting, you slide it into the red, tighten it back up, click over the Exactrack switch, now you're ready to make your cuts. And you can use any track or guide up to 1 inch thick. Now we're going to use the Exactrack saw to make a precise 3-inch rip cut, and that's where this saw really shines. So you want to make sure it's in the Exactrack mode and the guide engages just like that. And I've made my marks at 3 inches, and that's what's great about this saw. I can set the guide up directly on my marks. I'm not, no longer do I have to measure from the blade to the outside of the plate and then put the saw in place and then measure that. No, I put the guide directly on my marks and I clamp it down. And now you want to make sure, for a precise cut, you want to make sure that your guide overhangs each edge of your board by 9 inches. And that's in your user's manual. So just adhere to that, lock your clamps in place, and then the next step is manually pull up the guard and put the blade flush against your guide. Make sure it's there. You're ready to make your cut.
Introducing the SKILSAW 10¼ inch worm drive. Known as SAWSQUATCH, this monster of a saw comes with a motor that is specifically designed to cut 4x in one clean, efficient pass. Now you can easily tackle LVL, glulam, pine, and PSL wood. SAWSQUATCH comes with our dual field motor technology, found in all SKILSAWs. Dual copper windings dissipate heat and keep the motor running cooler, providing increased power and durability for the life of the saw. Backed by our Stay True guarantee, you can try out this saw for 180 days. If you're not satisfied, just return it, no questions asked. There's no comparison when it comes to the power of SKILSAW, and SAWSQUATCH is no exception. For more on this saw, visit skilsaw.com.
Break down sheet goods with precision, power, and speed without the cord. The 18-volt X2 LXT 36-volt brushless 6.5-inch plunge saw. It's powered by two 18-volt batteries for maximum performance and runtime. When used with a rail system, this cordless plunge saw is more portable than a table saw and lets you bring the saw to the work. Use it for breaking down wood panels or select from Makita's range of blades for cutting melamine, MDF, aluminum, and corian.
Breaking down sheet goods with this, with the combination of this track and the 9-foot track, it was a breeze. It made handling the sheets and cutting things very easy.
The efficient brushless motor is engineered for longer runtime, increased power and speed, and longer tool life. With up to 125 linear feet of cutting on a single charge, you can forget about being tied to a cord. It has a large cutting capacity with bevel capability from -1 degree to 48 degrees and 2 positive stops. Automatic speed change technology adjusts the cutting speed and power under load, so you get optimum performance cut after cut. Added features include a variable speed control dial that lets you adjust the speed to the application. Soft start means no kick at startup, and the electric brake is engineered for added convenience.
The power's better than any track saw I've really ever used. We were running up and down the sheets and there was no lack in power, because quite honestly, if it has a cord on it these days, I don't really want it.
It's compatible with Makita's fast-charging 18-volt lithium-ion batteries. Makita lithium-ion tools, batteries, and chargers are backed by a 3-year limited warranty. Equipped with star protection, communication technology between the tool and battery that protects against overload, over-discharge, and overheating. It's part of Makita LXT, the world's largest cordless tool system powered by 18-volt lithium-ion batteries. LXT is one system compatible with over 175 solutions.
The track saw that I currently use, which the track saw really has become a staple in the tools that I have. Its flexibility, it totally removes the need for a table saw. It doesn't really bog down on anything. We were ripping 5/4, all kinds of stuff, and it's just, it's awesome.
Introducing Porter Cable's new 20-volt max lithium-ion circular saw, the PCC 660B. This tool is part of the new growing line of linked system high-performance tools. This tool has a 6.5-inch carbide tooth blade, delivers cutting capacity for all 2x and sheathing materials. The high-performance motor delivers 4,000 revolutions per minute for smooth, fast cuts. An air channel blows air across a line of cut cleaning debris for accurate cutting. This tool also features a shoe that pivots up to 50 degrees for specialty beveled cuts. Compact size that makes it easy to maneuver across cutting applications and comfortable over-mold grips to reduce vibration and user fatigue. 20-volt max 1.5 amp hour or 4.0 amp hour lithium-ion batteries are compatible with the tool. Both the compact and the max pack batteries deliver the power and runtime needed for the job. The 20-volt max circular saw combines compact size, performance, visibility, easy adjustments, ease of use, and value demanded on the job site. As part of the new line of Porter Cable 20-volt max linked system tools, it delivers the power you need at the price you want. Get linked with the power and performance of 20-volt max.
Introducing the SKILSAW Magnesium Left Blade Sidewinder. We call this 7 1/4 inch saw the Sidewinder SOUTHPAW. SKILSAW designed this tool with the blade on the left to give you excellent visibility for accurate cuts. Sidewinder SOUTHPAW features a rugged and durable all-magnesium construction, including the foot, upper and lower guards, and motor housing. Yet it's lightweight at a mere 8.95 pounds for less user fatigue. It's powered by our 15 amp dual field motor, which we invented especially for pro saws. The unique copper windings provide the ideal balance of power and cooling to make the toughest cuts. The auxiliary inline handle has a conveniently located power switch and gives you superior handling with ergonomic comfort. And like a worm drive, there's no dust chute, so sawdust stays out of your pocket. The Magnesium Left Blade Sidewinder comes with SKILSAW's Stay True guarantee. Try it for 180 days. If you're not satisfied, we'll give you your money back. Visit skilsaw.com for more information.
Hey, we're all pros here, and we take pride in our work. SKILSAW, the inventor of the legendary worm drive saw, has created a new industry standard. Wait till you hear about this.
This is the new SKILSAW Sidewinder circular saw with resin housing. Resin is a super light material, so you can grab and go or lift easily overhead without breaking a sweat. At only 8.6 pounds, this is the lightest saw on the market. The legendary dual-filled motor, a motor made for saws, has dual copper windings to keep the motor cooler so it'll last longer. Only SKILSAW has it, just like in their worm drives. Combine the dual-filled motor and helical gearing, and now this Sidewinder offers best-in-class torque and improved horsepower, making you unstoppable. The Sidewinder was designed for comfort and balance, so not only will you get more done in less time, you'll feel better at the end of the day, too. This Sidewinder comes ready to work with a new SKILSAW carbide tip blade. If you don't believe this saw will deliver the goods, try it for 180 days, and if you're not satisfied, they'll give you a full refund. That's SKILSAW's pledge to you.
Best of all, the SKILSAW resin Sidewinder shows your crew you got the right tool for the job.
SKILSAW, true to the trade since 1924. Stay true.